When you participate in the 5 kilometers running challenge, you reach a new level of challenge. We offer you a training program that can help you participate in racing. When you participate in the 5 kilometers running challenge, you reach a new level of challenge, which will revitalize your exercise program. A distance of 5 kilometers is equivalent to 3.1 miles. Don't let the distance make you intimidated. Although 5 kilometers is a very long distance for a beginner, you can prepare for it in just 2 months. You can use the 5K 7-week program as a guide to prepare yourself. Developed by Olympian Jeff Galloway, this training program is designed for beginners or anyone who wants to run a 5K race. You do not have to follow this program just to run 5 kilometers, as you can use it to walk the same distance. How do you follow a 5K running training program? The training program includes a combination of running, walking and rest. This combination contributes to reducing the possibility of injuries, stress and fatigue, and at the same time enhances your feeling of pleasure during physical activity. You must remember, you can run or walk slowly to help your body adapt to the 5K training program. Even professional runners, when following this training program, devote part of their training time to walking. For example, during the first week on run/walk days, a runner runs for 15 seconds and then walks for 45 seconds, repeating this process over the course of 30 minutes. As the weeks go by, runners increase the time they devote to running and decrease the time they devote to walking. If you are one of the people who prefer walking, you can always resort to walking. On walking days, runners and people who prefer to walk alike. There is one day a week, which is Friday, which is considered a rest day, and there is no need to exercise during it. Thus, the muscles are given time to recover from the effort they exerted throughout the week. On Sunday, you can take an extra rest day or enjoy walking a distance you specify. In this training program, race day falls on the Saturday of the 7th week.